Guys, I need your help. There's a girl that looks like me and she's trying to...
Oh, shut up. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Guys, I need your help. There's a girl that looks like me and she's trying to...
Oh, shut up. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Sophia. Welcome, thank you for stopping by. I love you, kiss kiss kiss. And have you clicked on the subscription button? Please, if you've not clicked on the subscription button, please, in the name of God, please do click on the subscription button, please, and the bell like button below so you get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, straight to today's business. From the title of the video, I'm just going to be teaching you or showing you different ways to style this beautiful butterfly locks. With time, over 3 weeks now, this has been my favorite. Like, I don't want to say my favorite hair, but I think I'll keep making butterfly locks because I love it. The length, especially this 14-inch, the length, everything is perfect. It's not heavy, it's very light. So if you want to see a video on how I made this hair, I think I dropped the video a few days ago on how I made this hair. This is 3 weeks now, and trust me, I think the more it's getting old, the more it's getting finer, and I'm loving it more and more and more. I don't even feel like taking it off. So yeah, the first style is high puff. You just pack everything up to this point and use a band, a plastic band or whatever. I know how people get with rubber bands, but I prefer, or should I say, I like using rubber bands because to me they are more flexible, they are more easy to get to, and you just do it like this.
Black gold, man. Yeah, we'll go, man. Baby, we'll go, man. Yeah, about to see it shine. We'll go. Yeah, something is down. We'll go, man. We'll go, man. Yeah, about to see it shine. like golden. Yeah, we'll go now, baby, yeah, we'll go now. Yeah, about to see it shine. We'll go now. Like gold. Like golden. Yeah, we'll go now, baby, yeah, we'll go now. Yeah, about to see it shine. We'll go now. Like see it shine.